Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to make your location private on Fitbit. You will click on Fitbit app. In this page, you will go to above to this window of profile. Here we go to Fitbit settings. In this list, we click on social and sharing. After that, we click on privacy. Then we click on location. And here you can click on private. Then we can know how to make your location private on Fitbit like this. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.